So you may be saying, simplifying seems very difficult, mainly because I hate division. And that's okay if you hate division, because you're all wonderful at multiplication, and we can just use fact families to do that. So first is, how do we say this particular ratio right here? How are we going to say this? We're going to say 12. What's the phrase? For every 30. Remember that, that's important. 12 for every 30. Now, just like if it's a ratio, we can also think of it as a fraction, 12 out of every 30. And when we want to find the simplest form of either a fraction or a ratio, guess what we have to do? What do you think I'm going to do here? I'm going to find the factors. That's right, you brilliant children. So what are my factors? Well, I could do 1 times 12. I could do 2 times 6. Oops, did not mean to write the times. Although it is a multiplication problem. I could do 2 times 6. I could do 3 times 4. And that's it. What about 30? Now I need to do the factors of 30. Well, I could do 1 times 30. I could do, oh dang it, I did it again. Anyway, I could do 2 times 15. I could do 3 times what? Good, 10. You didn't think I could hear you, did you? Can I do 4 times something equals 30? No, but I could do 5. 5 times what? 5 times what is 30? 5 times 6 is 30. All right, excellent. So now I've got to find my, what? Guess what? My GCF, my greatest common factor. What's the biggest number that they have in common? There's not 12 in each one. There is 2. That's not very large, though. 6, yep, both have 6. Do they both have 3? Yes, they both have 3. And they both have 1. And what is my GCF? You guessed it, my friends. My GCF is 6, 6. They both have 6. Okay? So, starting over here, I know that 12, oh, sorry, turned my pen off. I know that 12 and 30 both have a common factor of 6. So, a little algebra here. 6 times something equals 12. And 6 times something equals 30, which is the exact same problem as a division problem, just written in a different order. What goes in this first box? 12 equals 6 times what? That's right, 2. And 30 equals 6 times what? That's right, 5. So 12 divided by 6 is what? 12 divided by 6 is 2. 12 divided by 6 is 2. And 30 divided by 6 is what? So I could change this around to make this problem division. And same for here. This is now division problem. All right, 30 divided by 6 is 5. So I could write that over here, divided by 6. 6 equals 5, equals 5. So instead of 12 for every 30, a simpler fraction would be 2 for every, oops, let me do my colon here. For every, how many? 5. Okay, if you didn't get that, it's okay. It's the very first time we've looked at simplifying, and we will look at it again. But just keep in mind, your fact families are your friend.